Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Redcastle Resources Director Ron Miller. Ron, thanks for being here today.
Thanks very much for having me. Great to be on the show again.
So you've just announced a JV with BML Ventures. How transformational is this partnership for Redcastle?
Well, it's actually very profound for us. It takes an exploration company and lets us achieve our aspiration to become a production company sometime in 2026. With this agreement, we pick up all the skill sets, the expertise, the equipment, the experience that we need for playing the game Let's Go Mining.
Alongside the JV, you've also announced the TBone opportunity. What does this add to the Redcastle story?
That's a great question, because what it adds is a large tranche of about 70 square kilometers to our exploration portfolio in a well-proven gold district in the Leonora-Laverton Greenstone Belt. Preeminent gold area in the whole of Western Australia, in the eastern goldfields. And what we want to use it for is we want to use it to expand our resource base. We want to be able to target larger play concepts and larger opportunities and targets that allow us to strive for that 500,000 to 1 million ounce resource, which then gets us into a different category of company completely.
On the capital raise, you initially went out for $3 million. How did it go?
It went great. We had a very good reception on the roadshow that we just did to sophisticated investors and institutional organizations. The interesting thing was they were all keen to see the fact that we had BML give us that boost in working capital in order to carry us through first production. What we're going to do is issue about 333 million shares in 2 tranches. The offer price of 0.9 cents per new share represents no discount to the closing price before we went into a trading halt, and it represents a 15% premium on the 15-day VWAP. We think that's quite an accomplishment in today's market.
So 2025 has been a breakout year for Redcastle. What have been the main catalysts driving that momentum?
So I've been maintaining that 2025, even on this program, would be a breakout year for Redcastle. We started putting the TBone acquisition together in November 2024, and that's what led to that conclusion that 25 would be a great year for us. Another catalyst besides putting that deal together has been the upgrade in our resource from 10,600 ounces of gold to 42,000 ounces across Redcastle Reef and Queen Alexandra. And finally, with the joint venture with BML, we've been able to put together a program which will get us into production sometime during 2026. We've ticked all the boxes that we said we would tick with the market. We've got a few more things to do, mainly related to approvals in 2025. But we hope to have everything in place by the end of the year or during the first quarter of 2026.
Well, sounds like a busy year ahead. Ron, thanks for joining us.
Thanks again for having me. I look forward to seeing you soon when we release some more information about the TBone acreage and where we might drill next.
Thanks, Ron.
Bye.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.